Hello and welcome to another revision video. Today we are looking at the higher foundation tier revision workbook from Edexcel, and I'm doing topic number 82, 83 or page 83, and this is volume of cuboids. Okay, so question one, find the volume of the following cuboids. So we've got a 5 by 5 by 5 centimeter cube. So the volume is going to be those dimensions multiplied together. So I'm looking 5 times 5 times 5 is going to be 125. Okay, and for the next one we've got a cuboid, and so the dimensions of this, or the volume of this, is going to be 6 times by 15 times by 4. And we will bring in our calculator. We are capable of doing that, but 6 times by 15 times by 4 is going to give us 360. And then for the final one, we're looking at the volume being equal to 16 times by 12 times by 7. So 16 times by 12 times by 7. There we go, that's going to be 1,344. Question 2. The volume of a cuboid, a cuboid has a volume of 504 centimeters cubed, a length of 12 centimeters and a width of 4 centimeters. Work out the height of the cuboid. So they're suggesting that we've got a kind of a guide. They're saying 1,344 is going to be equal to 12 times by 7 times by the height. So the height is going to be equal to 1,344 divided by 12 times by 7. 12 times by 7 gives us 84. So the volume is going to be 1,344 divided by the last answer, so 16. Okay, question 3. A box measures 175 centimeters by 125 centimeters by 100 centimeters. The box is completely filled with cubes. Each cube measures 25 by 25 by 25. Work out the number of cubes that can completely fill the box. To be fair, the quickest way to do this would be the dimension of them all. I'm thinking while I'm writing. The dimensions of, so that would be the total volume of the shape, and then we're dividing that by 25 times by 25 times by 25. And we could do these divisions separately. We could say that 125 divided by 175 divided by 25 is going to be 7. This one would be 5. This one would be 4. So in the end, we're going to end up with, I would include this, but I'm not going to bother with it, 7 times by 5 times by 4, which is going to be 35 times by 4, so it should be 140. However, let's just go back to basics and just do the whole thing. I missed one multiplications. I press 6 instead of multiply. And I would go type the slight shortcut, 25 cubed, 140. Okay, question 4. This diagram shows a rectangular tray and a carton. So we've got a rectangular tray and a carton. The rectangular tray has a length of 70, a height of 50, a width of 50 and a depth of 3. The carton is a cuboid with a square base of size 30. The tray is full of water. The water is poured into the empty carton. Work out the depth in centimeters of water in the carton. So we want to work out the volume of this shape. So that's going to be, the volume of this shape is going to be 3 times by 70 times by 50. So the volume of that shape would be 3 times by 70 times by 50. So it's going to be 1,500 centimeters cubed. So, and we want to work out the height, a bit similar to how we did it up here where we've got a missing length. I'm going to say that the height of that is going to be equal to the total volume. So I should have let's just relabel that because it's not the full height of the block. We just want to work out how high it will fill. Divided by 30 times 30, or 30 squared. So I want to do that divided by 30 squared. That's going to give me 11 1/3. Does it say anything about in centimetres? So I'm going to go 11 1/3 centimetre. Sorry, not 1/3, 2/3. And if you've got a decimal, that's absolutely fine. That would be 11.6 reoccurring, or 11.67. Okay, and that's the end of this page, or this section. I hope you found that useful. If you have, please subscribe if you like.